What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Antoinette, and I'm back with another video. Guys, on my channel, I talk a lot about making money in your sleep, starting your own business, getting funded, and so forth. But today we're going to talk about how to get rich. And before I actually get into everything you need to do step by step, I want you to ask yourself what being rich means to you. Is it traveling anywhere you want, whenever you want? Is it paying all your bills times 20 and still having money left over for your family? Is it having millions in the bank? Figure out what it means to you. And then we're going to go on to figuring out how to actually make it happen for you. So, the first thing, guys, is mindset. Mindset. It's so important to develop your mind and put yourself in a position where you are not rich right now physically, but you're rich in your mind. And I do this every morning with affirmations, morning and night. Affirmations and prayer. Now, what are affirmations? It's things that you tell yourself are already true before it actually becomes true. So I remember one of my goals was I wanted to make $300 a day. I was 20. I was sitting there and I said, you know what? I want to make 300 a day. And I started to write it down on a piece of paper. I make $300 every day. I make $300 every day. And I wrote it out just over and over and over until my hand got tired every single day, guys. And eventually, what happened was things started happening for me, like different streams of income, different deals, different side hustles. Things started coming to my mind, ideas I've never thought of before that were super easy to implement just started coming to my mind, and I was able to accomplish that financial goal. But I had to change my mindset. I told myself it already happened before it came true. So trust me, affirmations, just writing your goals down like they happen. If you want a Mercedes GLE, I want you to sit down and write, I own a Mercedes. I own a Mercedes. And this is exactly what I did to manifest my Tesla. I was sitting in my Acura, okay? And I did not like my Acura car. It was okay. I thought it was like a little bit of a soccer mom car. Like, no offense out there to the soccer moms, but I'm not a mom. I don't have kids that play soccer, so I didn't really want that car. But that's all I could qualify for at the time. I knew what I wanted. So I wrote down on a piece of paper, I own a Tesla. I put the Tesla logo over my Acura A in my car. I don't care what anyone said to me. Like when I was driving my Acura, I was not in no Acura. I was in a Tesla. So I manifested that. I affirmed it. I knew that it was going to happen before it happened. And I put in the work to actually get there. Second thing, guys, you want to learn financial literacy. You're not going to be able to make money and keep it if you do not understand how it works. So there's three key things that you guys need to do. One, first, you got to learn how to save. Try to save at least 20% of your income. And if you're in a position right now financially where you cannot save anything, it means you need to add more streams of income to your portfolio. Okay. And that's where two comes in. Figure out ways to invest your money. How can you take $2 and turn it into five, and then five to 20, and 20 to 1,000? You got to research different ways. And the way that I do that, guys, in terms of investing, I invest in the foreign exchange markets. There's a free group chat of mine that you can join below to learn more about this. But forex has completely changed my life. It's completely changed the life of people around me that actually follow what you're supposed to do, use proper risk management, adhere to all the rules, understand the markets. It will literally change your life if you just take your time and make it happen for you. And the third thing, guys, is budgeting. Budgeting. For me, I know exactly where every penny is going to go before it's spent. And if it's January 1st, by January 31st, I'm not going to run into any surprises going through my bank statement because I know, okay, I put $2 towards a coffee or $3 towards a muffin. And I'll sit there and I look at my bank statement line by line and just make sure I'm aligning with my budget. I have a certain budget for food, a certain budget for shopping, a certain budget for traveling. I love to travel. I'm pretty much somewhere new every single month. I always have those different budgets set. And then I have an app on my phone. Well, actually, it's embedded into my banking app that shows me if I'm going over my budget or I'm reaching my budget. And that's when I kind of slow down. So it does not matter how much money you have. I'm telling you that the richest person in the world, Elon Musk, He knows where his money is going. He knows line by line by line by line what he's spending money on. And that is how you stay rich, by managing your money effectively. The third step, guys, you need multiple streams of income. You are not going to get rich off of one stream, especially if it's just like a 9 to 5 job. You won't get rich. And when I mean rich, I mean like multi-millions rich. Maybe you'll be able to accomplish the small goals that you have, but I'm talking like laying on the beach, money rolling in, $5, $10, $15,000 by the minute. That won't happen by having a job, a just one 9 to 5 job. So what you can do is you can have your job, but you can also create multiple streams of income around that job. One, investing, foreign exchange market. Hop in my group chat down below, okay? Second, sell digital products or ebooks. Think of what you are good at, a skill that you are good at that you can provide to other people of value. If you don't want to show your face, buy a PLR book. These are books that are already done, ready-made for you. You click, you download, and you can resell it. And I actually offer the PLR pack as well, right? So you don't necessarily have to be a guru to make money online. The online streams of income is just the easiest way in 2025 to completely skyrocket financially. Okay, so you want those multiple streams. Think of a business idea. What brick and mortar business can you start, or even an online business can you start that will be so compelling the whole world wants a part of it? And that's why I talk about on my channel as well, how to get angel investing, how to get funding for your business, how to attract people that want to give you millions based off of a business idea that you have on a piece of paper. So you want to really get creative. Creativity will also help you become a millionaire. Think of business ideas that will skyrocket. You're going to put that into a business plan, present it to investors, get funding for your business, and that's another stream of income. So you want multiple streams. Never rely on just one, okay? Always, always, always think, I have 2 streams now. I need 5 more actually, because the average millionaire has what? 7. Don't be afraid, guys, to invest in yourself. When you invest, you get a return. You will not get a return if you do not invest, whether it's a course, an ebook, investing in the financial markets. You have to give to get. Literally, you're not going to become rich by investing $0 and zero time, zero effort. It won't happen. Like, I hear people all the time say, oh my gosh, like, Antoinette, I had a goal. I wanted to make 500K this month, and I literally just made my same 2,000. I said, well, what did you do differently? I did my affirmations. Okay, you did affirmations a couple times out of the month. Cool. Did you invest in anything to help your growth? Did you reach out to people with a mind like you? Did you join any clubs, any group chats? Did you surround yourself around millionaires? And they'll tell me no. Like, if you're around the same people that don't have massive goals, or they project their insecurities onto you, or they tell you that business idea sucks, if you're around those people, you're going to stay like those people. You want to find groups and clubs of people that have the same mindset as you. So my free group chat down below, guys, that's filled with potential entrepreneurs or current entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs that are looking to 7 times their income this year. They're looking to make 6 and 7 figures this year. Those are the chats you need to be in. You need to leave the gossip chat, leave the people that don't want to do anything but go on Shade Room and watch different sites and, learn the newest gossip. Leave that crowd alone and go towards people that want to elevate in life. Join a golf club. Start going jogging and talk to other people in the jogging field. Go to rich neighborhoods, just drive around and say hi to people, right? Build connections. Like, your network is your net worth. If you have 5 broke friends, you're going to be the 6th. So it's very important to surround yourself around people that will uplift you and people that have certain goals and dreams that you want to accomplish. Stay consistent. Consistency is key. Overnight success does not happen all the time. There's probably maybe 0.1% of people in this world that came up with something, put a little 1-2 together, marketed it to the world, and blew up. Like, that does not always happen. Consistency is key. Consistency is key. I'm going to say it one more time. Consistency is key. If you continue to work on something, you will get better at it every single day. If you're trying to sell an ebook or a course, post about it every day. Be consistent. Who cares how many views it gets? One day, that one video is going to blow up. One day, you're going to post something and millions of people are going to see it. It doesn't matter if 2 people saw it yesterday and 3 saw it today. Tomorrow could be 50 million, but you won't know unless you stay consistent. You will not know. So it's so important, guys, to be consistent. So let's recap. You're going to develop that winning mindset, okay? It is done before it is done. Get financially literate. That is number 2, guys. 3, you're going to build multiple streams of income. 1 is just simply not enough. 4, network. Network, 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 because what? Your network is your net worth. 5, stay consistent and patient. Don't rush the process. Anything worth having, you have to work for, okay? And anything that came easy can go easy. So with that being said, guys, this is my tips for you guys to become rich this year in 2025. If you want more guidance, if you want more success, if you want to see results, join my free group chat down below, whether it's investing in the foreign exchange market, getting funding for your business, selling digital products and ebooks, gaining passive income streams. I can provide you with the help and assistance that you need. I'm sitting there, I've done it, and I want to see you do it too. With that being said, guys, you know what I always say? Meet you at the top because the bottom is way too crowded. Peace.